Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Discord on desktop or web and sign in. You need developer mode active so you can copy ID, go to User Settings, Advanced, toggle Developer Mode. Once done, navigate to a server or message that contains the sticker you want. Right-click the sticker or click the message 3 dots and choose Copy Sticker ID or Inspect the message. This gives you the identifier used to retrieve the sticker file. You're starting the extraction process. Don't skip developer mode, because you won't get the ID without it. With the sticker ID in hand, construct the CDN URL using the pattern Discord uses for stickers. Fetch the file in browser or developer tools. If it's static, download PNG or WebP. If animated, capture GIF or MP4 depending on the format. Next, open an image editor or converter and resize, crop, and compress to meet Discord's sticker limits. Typically square, under 512 KB, and 320 x 320 or similar. If you manage a server and have permission, go to Server Settings Stickers and upload the prepared file. Give it a name and tag so members can use it without Nitro. If you don't have upload rights, use the sticker locally in Streams or via overlay tools that let you paste images in chat windows. Remember, these aren't native Discord stickers. Finally, if anything breaks, verify file format, size under 512 KB, correct transparent background, and that you have the right server permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.